So now let's see how we can work around with Power Window inside of Davinci Resolve. So over here you can see that I have a footers, and what I'm going to do is over here on the node view, I'm going to right click over here, and then I'm going to add a serial node right here. This is where I'm going to apply Power Window. So before we apply the Power Window, to let you know what the Power Window does, I'm just going to go around and change around the color right here, just like this. So over here, this is what you have. So let me just go around over here onto the window icon right here, and then you see the Power Window right here. And over here on the section as well, you can see that Power Window is active now. So what the Power Window lets you do is you can go around and select out the shape, and you can see that the effect is only applied on that particular window. You can go around over here and then resize this out. So you can go around over here, resize the Power Window according to how you want right here, just like this. And you can go around and pull this like red dot right here to add in softness to the edges over here as well. You can also go around and work around with the softness right here from this window right here, and you can work around with the transform option like pan, rotate, and opacity from over here, just like this as well. So you can see that you can increase or decrease the level of effect that you have in a Power Window right here, and work around with the aspect ratio as well. In order to disable this, you can go around and disable the Power Window, or click again to enable it, as you can see right here. And you can go around to make sure that the inside is the part without any effects, or outside is the part without any effects right here. So you can see that you can go around and choose that out right here. You can also add in multiple Power Windows right here by clicking, as you can see right here. So you have circle Power Window right here. So similarly, you can go around and then resize this. You can go around and add in feather to it, and you can go around and rotate it and utilize these options as well. And here you can see that there is polygonal like Power Window as well. Unlike the rectangular one, you can go around and add in points over here onto the polygonal window, as you can see, and you can go around over here just like this, and then change it out according to how you want right here. So you can go around right here, and you can go around and add it, as you can see right here, or just like this, you can go around over here and make changes to it however you want. So I'm just going to go around and disable this, and let's just go around and experiment around with this Power Window right here. And this is the polygonal tool right here, which allows you to click and make Power Windows according to how you want. You can also go around over here, and let's say I'm just going to go around and then remove this right here. Let me just go around onto the curve Power Window, add in another one over here. And if I were to go around and instead of clicking, if I were to click and drag, you can see a Bezier curve right here for more roundness effect. You can go around and change this out, as you can see right here. You can go around, click and drag around right here, and then close the shape out, as you can see, just like this. You can move this around over here, move this around over here, and that is the window, as you can see. You can go around and change around the inside, the outside right here, just like this. Work around with the softness, as you can see, and everything else for this as well. So let's say I want to add in another Power Window. I can go around, add in a circular Power Window, as you can see right here. You can go around over here, add in a circular Power Window. You can click on another Power Window right here, click on it, and another Power Window is here. You can delete it by pressing the delete key over here as well. So you can go around and then delete out the different Power Windows that may be already added right here, but it does not let you delete the default Power Window that is already there. So let me just go around, add in another Power Window right here, and resize this out. And what you can do around over here is you can go around and change around how the Power Window works right here, just like this. So you can go around, keep this around over here, keep this around over here, just like this. So that is what you have. You can go around and then use the Power Window subtraction to remove out, let's say, the effect applied from other Power Window over here as well. So that is what you can do as well, as you can see, and then utilize multiple Power Windows to get the effect that you want, just like this. So if I were to go and turn it off, you can see that this is how it looks right here. So if you want to apply out different corrections on different sections, then this is how you see it. You can click on Power Window again to see all those details back, as you can see right there. So that is how you can work around with Power Window inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.